In this episode of I Tried It, we test this side hustle that claims that it is the easiest way to make $100 or more online in 2025. Now, I tried this brand new method for over an hour and I want to reveal my results with you today. In addition to revealing my results, I'm going to provide a brief overview of what the original content creator says that we need to do, potential issues that you may run into, and other ways that you can make money online. So if you've seen the original video, make sure you watch this video to see my results after 1 hour. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how you can make money online without relying on social media platforms or the ever-changing and unpredictable algorithm. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, let's go ahead and get into part number 1, which is an overview of what the original content creator says that we need to do. Simply put, the content creator says that we need to go to this special website and we just need to complete offers and then we'll get coins. Then we can convert those coins into cash. It doesn't get any more difficult than that. The website that we go to is 100% free. The offers are quote unquote easy. And after doing this for some time, we're gonna make money. Now let's go ahead and talk about a few reasons why this may not work for you. First and foremost, while we see that the original content creator does withdraw money, which is something he doesn't normally do, he doesn't actually withdraw $100. He withdraws like $11. And if he's telling us that we can make $100, but he's only withdrawing 11, that might be a red flag, or should be a red flag for you. Another red flag that I come across is that this is a play to earn app. Essentially what you've got to do is you've got to go download something, you've got to go open up these random websites and then hope that the websites connect back to this original website and then you get paid. In my experience, I've been doing this for a few years. If it is easy, usually it doesn't pay a whole lot and you're going to have to spend a lot of time, energy, and effort in order to make any money. And usually the money that you make is nowhere near the money that they're telling you that you're going to make. Another big red flag of mine is that the original content creator actually gets paid through affiliate marketing and earning affiliate commissions. Now, there's nothing wrong with affiliate marketing itself. It's just recommending other people's products and services, but he doesn't disclose that the bulk of his money comes from earning affiliate commissions and not actually doing any of these apps. Now, if you wanted to promote this website, you get a commission when people sign up and you get a commission when people actually pay. According to the website, you get paid like 5% or so of whatever the referrals earn. So if a referral earns 100 points, you would get 5% of that. Another red flag or concern of mine is that the payouts are almost impossible. When I show you the website, you'll see that the minimum payout for PayPal is $1.23 or one coin, 1.23 coins. One coin equals $1. However, a lot of the different tasks are like 0.000 coin. So you're going to spend a lot of time, energy, and effort in order to earn just $1 or one coin. A big red flag of mine is a lot of these websites want me to either download something to my computer or they want access to my personal information. Again, I'll show you the back office, but one of these websites wanted they wanted my social security number, they wanted my address, they wanted my phone number, which is something that I don't really feel like I should be giving out in order to make money. Another issue is that some of these apps want you to gamble. They want you to put in money so that you can potentially withdraw money. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at my screen and I'll show you some of the red flags that I saw while I was trying to do this for 1 hour. All right, so we're over here on the site and let's just take a look at a couple things here. One, this crypto magnet, you get 0.01 coins. And as you can see up here, 1 coin or Shroot Buck equals $1. So if we wanted to make $100 per day, we would need to get 100 coins, obviously. But if each one of these, this is 0.07 cents essentially, this one's 0.044 cents and 0.01 cents, 0.14 cents, we're going to have to be doing this a long time in order to make any money. Like if we click on this, for example, nothing pops up. But if we click down here, we click on show tasks, you have to complete all of these tasks in order to make any money. So if we look at this, we click on Opera GX. I'm not really familiar with Opera GX and what it is, but it wants us to download it to our computer and then be active for 7 days in order for us to make $2.45. Okay, with this ball sort, play and complete all tasks within 90 days, new users only. If we click on this, you can see it downloads to your mobile phone. and you don't really know what is all inside of the code when you're downloading these apps and these games, right? So if we just keep going, you can see here, play Age of Coins and complete all the challenges within 30 days, earn at least 2,000 coins or $2, and withdraw them, new users only. So if we click on this, register an account, earn at least 2,000 coins. But as you can see, if you just keep going through these, there's a few of them that want you to enter in your personal data, or there's a few of them that want you to enter or add money to an account so that you can gamble or risk it. And then if you make money on the back end, you can withdraw it. So as you can see here, make a valid donation of at least $20. In order to make $27.93, I've got to donate at least $20. That seems kind of weird. Again, this isn't something that I necessarily would feel comfortable doing because our personal data is at risk literally all day, every day. Why would I just naturally give it away for free? The other issue too is that a lot of these are not available on all devices. Some are only for Android, as you can see. Some are only for Apple, which is going to greatly reduce your opportunity. But you can scroll through here and you can see that there are tons of these opportunities. I just want to click on one that tells us play the game and complete all tasks within 15 days. So you've got to complete all of these tasks within 15 days in order to earn the 4701. If you don't complete, let's say you only make it to level 15, that's 0.08 coins. And obviously these games are designed to be progressively more and more difficult or more challenging in order for you to level up. That's just how games go. But as you can see, on the surface, you think, okay, cool, I can make 47 coins or dollars or Shroot Bucks, whatever it is. But you're going to have to try and get all the way up to level 300 in 15 days. If you don't get up to level 300 in 15 days, you'll only get paid out for the level that you make. Okay, and this is essentially gambling. But you can see here, if you scroll through, there's a bunch of these that you have to complete, and it's more than what meets the eye. So this to me is a huge red flag. If we look at payouts here, if we look at payout, you can see for PayPal, $1.25. As you can see here, there are different levels, but to me, this is a huge red flag. I always ask, why is the payout so low? Okay, to me, when a payout is really low like this, it's a red flag, and you're gonna have to pay fees on withdrawing and transferring money. You're gonna have to pay fees on transferring money into PayPal as well as out, which again is another concern or red flag of mine. Again, I tried to do this for an hour. A couple apps that I went to asked for my personal information, social security number. They wanted my phone, and then they sent me a text message verifying that my phone number is correct. So who knows, in about a week or two, who all is going to have access to my phone number and is going to be sending me text messages with like spam and spyware and all sorts of stuff. But you can see here the app is pretty simple, but it doesn't pay a lot. If we follow them on X, we get paid essentially 2 cents. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, 2 cents. And I'm sure you'll see a lot of people are doing this. You've got to subscribe to the channel, take a screenshot showing you subscribe, and submit the screenshot by clicking send a screenshot, all for 2 cents. To me, it's not really worth it. My time, and I believe your time, is more valuable than making 2 cents for essentially probably 5 to 10 minutes worth of work. And then really there's no guarantee that you will make that money. You can click on these different tasks here, but it all takes a bunch of time. And I would say my biggest concern is the time required. Time is our most precious resource because it's finite. We can't get it back. And if we're wasting time doing these apps and surveys and other silly things, we are neglecting other more important things in our life. And quite honestly, for some of these, it's more worth it for you just to get a job, right? It's more worth it for you to get a second job or find a job that's remote and do that than wasting time on some of these. So let's go ahead and reveal how much I made with doing this for an hour. If I click on this, my balance, I made absolutely nothing. I spent an hour of my time trying to click on different things. I downloaded a few different games and apps and things of that nature, but I stopped and slowed down certainly when they asked for my personal information. So I personally don't feel like this is valuable for anybody. This is, in my opinion, a waste of time. And there are better ways to make money. I believe that the best way to make money and start generating passive income or semi-passive income is to start creating content. Create content here on YouTube because that's where you are. You can create content on TikTok or Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever people are hanging out, and you simply create content based on the problems that people are having, experiencing, or going through. For example, people want to learn how to make money. They want to learn how to woodwork. Believe it or not, you have the skills, the knowledge, experience to teach someone else. You might feel like you're not an expert in anything, but whatever knowledge, skills, and experience you have is good enough to teach someone that doesn't have any of those knowledge, skills, or experience. So reflect on what your skills are, what you enjoy doing all day, and then decide to turn around and teach people that thing. And then you can find different ways to monetize. You can monetize with affiliate marketing, which is recommending other people's products and services. You can recommend by creating your own digital products, which is really simple and you can create really fast and start receiving money quickly with that. Or you can even create a membership. Now, I do talk about that more in depth in my book, Platform Proof Profits, if you want to check that out. But essentially what you want to do is identify a problem that a target audience has, identify solutions for that problem, and then create content to help people find that solution, and then you can monetize simply. It's not easy. It takes consistency and persistence, but it's something that literally anybody can do. I know that if I did it, you can certainly do it as well. But now that you know that this method will not work for you, watch this video next because I show you how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.